What's up, guys? Welcome back by the channel. Hey, today we're going to be doing a little bit more work on the shop here. Bill's going to be installing his breaker box on the wall so we can get our power officially. So with that being said, guys, I want to give a big shout out to all of our new subscribers, all of our subscribers who have been with us from the beginning, and we appreciate it anytime you give us a like, a subscribe, and clang that notification bell. Now all the business is out of the way, it's time for him to get busy on his breaker box. See you in a second. Guys, welcome back. I said previously in the first part of the video, time for him to get busy. You know why I say that? Because I don't know what the hell he's doing. So I'm just a film guy most of the time. So I would say he's the brains behind the outfit, but that might give him a little bit of the big head. So we'll just go with, he knows more about it than I do. So let's take a look. What are you doing over here, sir?
Get the hammer for it, I need.
The hammer?
Yeah, I got it here.
So what are you doing?
Making a bracket to mount the box in.
Oh, well, so we're making a bracket to mount the box.
Yes.
Oh, all right. See, like I said, he knows what he's doing. Me, not so much. I'm the technical person, not the architect or the building person. Because if I had to build it, I'd hate to see what it looked like.
Pushed out. You see how it pushed out? That's why I back them up. You see it go back?
Yep.
Still did it that time. No, it's back from here won't do it.
I asked him yesterday why he did that. You know, he'll start to put a screw in, and he'll get halfway and stop and back it back out and go back in at it again. And it's to correct the
Yeah, I'm gonna get that.
pull right here.
Can you push up on that while I get it a little more wrong? Right there. You good?
Mm-hmm.
Should be able to let go.
Is that the top or the bottom brace?
Bottom. Dropped on me, man. I don't like it.
I gotta push it higher.
Hold up a second. Let me see something.
It's hot in here.
Wow. My line really got off. pop a hole there. No, we come in here, come out here. We'll come up, then come back down. Could come in at the top.
Yeah, but that make it really. Nah, I don't know. That'd be too noticeable, wouldn't it?
What? Come in at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just gonna come in down here and come up to it. Oh, them lines was right. Look at that. Ain't that something?
In case any of you guys are wondering, this is a 50 amp service. And the only thing we're going to be running off of it is a 110 and a 220 line.
I've been running away from you. I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what you're going through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. No matter distance I cover, you always there. Just mother, please let me find another. Feels like you're my silhouette. I'm not easy to forget. Pretend that we never met.
All right, everybody, that was a short little video today. We've got to go to the supplies, get some conduit and connectors and some other things to go on the box to finish up the installation and get the wire's already run from the main box, so we just got to come in through the side of the wall here and come up to the box. So that's going to be for another video. So hope you like what you've seen today. A little short video, what we were doing. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Like always, hit that notification bell. Guys, we'll see you on the next one.